Hello guys, it's Miss Anna, and no, you didn't accidentally stumble upon a video of the forest. Believe it or not, this is my backyard. And we're here for a very important reason, to meet a very important person. This is my tree macaron. I planted her in the ninth grade, and I named her like that because, well, you use almond flour when you're making macarons. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So, as I said before, her name is Macaron, and as you know, my name is Miss Anna, your English instructor. And those two names, Macaron and Miss Anna, are what you would call proper nouns.
Proper nouns are the names of specific people, animals, places, and things. For example, Macaron, my tree, Anna, myself, and Roy, some random guy's name. So please note, proper nouns must start with a capital letter because they are the names of persons, animals, places, and things. So they must begin with a capital letter.
So we've talked about proper noun, but we also have another type of noun called common nouns. So macaron is a tree and I am a girl. Tree and girl are what we would call the common nouns.
Common nouns are the general names for people, animals, places, and things. For example, tree, girl, dog. So these names are not specific in any way, but they just generalize overall. They are the general name that would be used to identify a certain person, animal, place, or thing.
Let's move away from our lonely little macaron right here. I should plant her a companion and look over yonder. So we have another set of nouns called collective nouns.
Collective nouns name groups of people, animals, and things. For example, people, forest, herd, bouquet. So, unlike poor lonely macaron, the other trees grouped together can be collectively called a forest. Okay, well, not exactly. As I said, my backyard isn't the best example, but a group of trees can be collectively referred to as a forest. Different animals share herd as their collective noun, and bouquet is the collective noun for a group of flowers.
So the collective noun for a group of trees is forest, and the collective noun for a person is people. Now back to our lonely little macaron to talk about our last type of verb that we're going to cover, and that is abstract nouns.
I said verb before, didn't I? Yeah, that was a mistake. We're doing nouns, not verbs. Maybe we cover verbs, who knows? Subscribe to find out. Anyway, abstract nouns name qualities and things we cannot see, hear, touch, taste, or smell. For example, love, friendship, and trust. All the good stuff, those stuff you think, wait, they exist, but like what exactly are they? Because they aren't always actions and things we can do. So, what are they? Abstract nouns, that's what they are. And with that, the lesson is over. So now it's time for everyone's favorite homework. So it's basically this. What is the collective noun for a group of chickens? You guys can comment down below or in the Google Classrooms.